All right, one wrong sentence could cost you $12,000. So here at Fury Motorsports, we're here to help you get back on the trail quicker, faster, and better built than before that accident. One of the mistakes that I see a lot of people make is not getting the right coverage levels for their machine. So for example, my machine has a couple of aftermarket parts on it. Most insurance policies start at $3,000 of aftermarket coverage. That wouldn't even cover my cage, let alone everything else that I have on my machine. So I specifically raised the aftermarket coverage that I have on my policy to ensure that if I get in an accident, I'm covered for what's on my machine. Another mistake I see is when people try to give way too much information to the insurance company. How to best do it is call your insurance company. I was in an accident. I dropped my machine off at Fury Motorsports. I need a claim number to give to them so that they can reach out to you with the estimate of damages and pictures. Notice how I put all of the work on our side, because what insurance is going to do is ask you where the damages were. Can I see pictures of the damages? Where were you at when it happened? There's a million questions that they're trying to get you to answer incorrectly. Let us help you get all of the damage taken care of for the accident you were in. When you bring the machine to us, we're able to take a look at it, obviously create an estimate of damages as well as the pictures associated with those damages, but we're also going to take it a step further. It takes time. Time is labor, time is money. So when insurance goes through and says you might need a right front fender, that fender costs $350, here's your $350. Well, what they're winning on is the fact that it takes 2 hours to put on that fender, so you're really getting shorted $300 some odd just for that piece, as an example. So when we build it, we not only are building for the parts that we need to replace, but we're also billing them for the labor, because in the end, you still have to pay for the labor. Another mistake people make is documenting everything themselves, because they're missing a lot of important information. For example, when you get an insurance job like the one that's behind me, which is an entire frame swap, the nut zerts that go in just the frame for this car, there are 48 $3 little pieces. I guarantee you there isn't an insurance company on planet Earth that's going to credit you something like that, unless you brought it to a shop saying, this is part of the frame swap. So all those little pieces added together are what make us the experts in these situations. But our expertise get you paid and get you the money that you deserve, saving you that $12,000 mistake. So another mistake boils down to not wanting to say no. When you call your insurance company, by all means, give them the information that they need. But when it comes down to the specifics and the details regarding the damages, the pictures, and what needs to be repaired, let us be there for you. Remember, Fury Motorsports does thousands of insurance claims. So if it's your first one, come to us and let us help you get through the whole process. Swing by or give us a call if you have any questions about the coverages or insurance companies before the accident. We're always here to help. If you did get in that accident and you're ready to file a claim, come see us. We'll walk you through the whole process.
Run.
Why come to Fury Motorsports? We go anywhere else. We do insurance better than anybody.